Hi dear guys, how are you all? I hope all is well and fit. So I am Sitara Dian. I have come again another video to you. So today presentation topic is Sunday sentence. So guys, let's get it right now. আজকে যে টপিক নিয়ে প্রেজেন্ট হয়েছে ভীষণ ইম্পর্টেন্ট টপিক, তাহলে চলুন শুরু করি। আমাকে চুপ থাকতে হয়েছিল। I had to be silent. I had to be silent. আমাকে চুপ থাকতে হয়েছিল, আমাকে শক্ত হতে হয়েছিল। I had to be strong. I had to be strong. আমাকে শক্ত থাকতে হয়েছিল, আমাকে সতর্ক থাকতে হয়েছিল। I had to be careful. I had to be careful. আমাকে সতর্ক থাকতে হয়েছিল, আমাকে ধৈর্যশীল হতে হয়েছিল। I had to be patient. I had to be patient. আমাকে ধৈর্যশীল হতে হয়েছিল, আমাকে rude হতে হয়েছিল। I had to be rude. I had to be rude. আমাকে সাহসী হতে হয়েছিল। I had to be brave. I had to be brave. আমাকে নীরব হতে হয়েছিল। I had to be quiet. আমাকে বই পড়তে হয়েছিল। I had to be read the book. আমাকে গল্প শুনতে হয়েছিল। I had to be listen story. So guys, that's all for moment today. If you found my video, so don't forget subscribe, share and comments guys. Next day I will come again another video to you. So keep watching, keep learning, take care of yourself, have a good day. Assalamualaikum guys, bye bye.